Hey guys, we're at Stevens Pass. Found an outlet and we'll wax my snowboard before they tell me I can't. So let's do this quick. The cops almost took my wax away. Just for snowboard. This wax smells so good, it reminds me of girls. Nice, fresh, smooth, smells good. Oh, I wish I had this in my car when I got pulled over. My board's gonna break soon. Nice. Where is that jump? Look at that. Cold smoke for days. Look at this. Where's that jump? They kicked me off the mountain and they banned me for 2 weeks. So I got a ride for an hour and a half. All because they closed the good lift down. I took a different lift and then I found this run and I jumped the rope and then they chased me and caught me at the, like I tried to go on the lift and then they fucking banned me for 2 weeks. It's okay, I was only gonna be here for a day, but still I wanted to ride. Well, so I'm gonna drive to Seattle now and take a shower, maybe meet up with a couple homies, and then yeah. They screwed me. Alright, I keep wanting to stop at these places and passing them and then regret it because I got unlimited time in the world. So this time, I didn't not regret it. And I stopped because I think I could fly my drone here. And then I go down and it's the place that I wanted to go. And so good thing I stopped, you know? Like people say, everything works for a reason. Blah, blah, blah. Nah, it's not true. Shit happens because you make it happen, or you're unlucky, or you're really lucky. I don't know. It doesn't happen. I mean, it happens because you make it happen, or you put in effort to make it happen. You know, this, that, blah, blah, blah. You know, nothing just flies out of the sky, except drones. All right, so this is where I stopped, the train, the road. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna take some cool photos. But the bunch of tar I just stepped in. Good thing there's snow to clean me off. Hope no one pulls up on me, you know? I'm just pretty unlucky. That's all I gotta say. Oh, this is sick. All right, so my drone won't fly because the battery's cold, it says. So I gotta warm it up. I don't know how. I'm gonna stuff it in my armpit. I'm gonna do that. Stuff it in my, it was pretty warm in here. Yeah. And then it wouldn't fly over there because there's too much magnet interference from all these wires in that little box right there, I'm sure. But yeah, let's try this out now. Maybe it'll work. My other GoPro isn't working because the cold. You know, the cold is something to do, I guess, you know? Anyway, let's see. Oh. Alright, come on. Work. Beep. Beep. I'm gonna try to do a little product shoot with the drone. Let's see if it works. I don't know if it's gonna let me do this, but no. Alright. Well, that didn't work. Oh, you didn't see. I freaked out and then it fell. Alright, so my drone shoot didn't work. I'll do that another time somewhere else in a safer environment. Well, it's pretty nice right here. Should have done it. But there was too many magnets. Didn't work out. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna go place the shirt over there in the train track somewhere. Take a couple photos. Post it on the clothing Instagram. And yeah, content. And you make sales, you know? People from the Bahamas hit me up. I don't know anyone from the Bahamas. Now I do. Damn, look how fucking pretty it is out here. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's a mailbox thingy. Well then. Ah! Dang, train tracks always have nice rocks. Has anyone noticed that? Just me? I seem to do that. Oh my god, look at the water. I'm gonna go down there. Woo! I'm hyped. I wonder if this guy does. I bet he does. Oh yeah, I met some guy with a Geo, the homie. I'll do it in a second. Danger, no trespassing. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Whoa. Dude, the water's so blue. Product placement right here. Product placement. I did this shoot. I took a couple photos. It's cool. It's cool. You know. Tell you what it is. Anyway, look. Oh, so blue and clear and mossy. Oh, my knees hurt. Ow. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh my. Where's the fishies at? Call it a crappy skate park. Look at it. Cheers today. Get your long sleeve today. First try for the long sleeve sales. I don't even know if it's wax. You just gotta go fast. Oh my god! I counted! Oh! That was first try.